The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have substantial design changes that set it apart from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Recent leaks and renders have provided a preview of what the future model may look like, including updates to the frame weight and general design. We got a look at Galaxy S25 Ultra renders with flat edges and rounded corners last week. A new graphic from tipster Ice Universe compares the S25 Ultra to the S24 Ultra, illustrating the fundamental changes between the two. One notable difference is the S25 Ultra's flatter sides, which contrast dramatically with the boxy edges of its predecessor. The metal frame of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be slimmer and lighter than that of the S24 Ultra, according to Ice Universe. The S25 Ultra may be 14 grams lighter than its predecessor, according to previous leaks. The new phone's less weight may make it more pleasant to handle than the existing model. While the S25 Ultra is likely to be smaller in practically every way, the display size should remain same. Slimmer bezels will enable Samsung to keep the screen size unchanged without making the phone heavier. A more compact design and narrower bezels might offer the S25 Ultra a more refined look. The S25 Ultra has flatter edges and more rounded corners, which set it apart from the previous model. While the overall design difference isn't dramatic, it's enough to make the two models look different. In essence, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a lighter, more polished design while preserving the same display size. Although these updates aren't spectacular, they do make the new smartphone stand out from the S24 Ultra. Meanwhile, the design of Samsung's next flagship gadget is reported to undergo major modification, but one of the most notable upgrades predicted in this smartphone is its camera system. While the quad camera system looks to be retained, the telephoto and ultra-wide lenses are expected to get resolution and sensor size increases. Details concerning the Galaxy S25 Ultra's ultra-wide camera have just come to light. Ice Universe, a well-known source for reliable leaks, claims that the S25 Ultra will include a better ultra-wide camera. According to the leak, this camera could have a remarkable 50MP resolution, a 1/2 52 sensor, 0.7 micrometer pixels, and an f/1.9 aperture. Like many modern smartphone cameras, it will use pixel bending to improve image quality and performance in low-light conditions. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.